OpenAI didn't have all good news this week. Remember last week we were talking about Sora and how it was like the most viral AI app blowing up in the App Store and everything. Turns out a little bit too viral. The company is going to have to move pretty quickly from move fast, break things to move fast and write some checks. Because what happened is that literally within 24 hours of launching this app on the App Store, it was beating both Gemini and ChatGPT despite being invite only, but it caused a bunch of chaos. All of a sudden, users were flooding like feed with videos with copyrighted characters, celebrity likenesses. They're making AI videos of Pikachu and Michael Jackson, and of course, all these things that are copyrighted. So there was a lot of chaos and problems, so that sort of rolled out. Sam Altman came out with two key changes. The first is they had previously said that it was like an opt-out model. Now it's going to actually have to be an opt-in model. So creators and IP owners have to define exactly how and whether their characteristics, styles, etc., can be used, if at all. And then also he's like, I guess we got to figure out a way to monetize this thing. So he's trying to figure out what a revenue sharing system is going to look like that is going to share between the artist and the person who actually owns the rights to their image and that type of stuff. So it's going to be really interesting to see how they solve that problem.
When we were doing the entrepreneurial thing, I remember the advice I often give to entrepreneurs from that experience is pick the right next problem. Like, you're never going to have no problems, so have the right problem. If you're launching a video generation app, the bad problem is nobody uses it. The best problem is it goes super viral and you got to deal with the rights holders. And then of course, I think a lot of the rights holders are going, hey, we really want to be a part of this. We want to be in this viral thing. It's a huge brand win, I think, to get free distribution from, fanfic kind of creativity has always been a thing that drives extra engagement. So that seems like the best next problem to have. And man, they've got it in spades, but they are having a viral moment. And I think they will find their path through this. They're pretty smart, and I think they're pretty thoughtful about this. And I think the rights holders ultimately want the same thing, which is they want users engaging with their content and their characters and their personas in the right ways. And OpenAI can enable that all to the good.